Hey, this is Meridith Powell, and I don't know what you are doing June 6th and 7th, but I hope that you are going to join me for the Pennsylvania Restaurant Lodging Association Spring Leadership Conference. We're going to meet in beautiful Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and I am really excited to be presenting my keynote, Thrive, turning this uncertainty into your greatest competitive advantage. That's right, we have cracked the code on the biggest challenge facing leaders today, and that is uncertainty. And when you leave this program, you're literally going to have a plan, you're going to have a strategy to change how you think, feel, and act around uncertainty. But listen, you are never going to know unless you sign up now. So what are you waiting for? Sign up, and I'll see you June 6th and 7th, and together we're going to turn all of this uncertainty into your greatest competitive advantage. I'll see you there.